Hello students, myself Kushali Satkute. Again welcome to Shram Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, our 4th standards math subject, chapter Subtraction. In previous lecture, we learned about subtraction of numbers without borrowing. So, in this lecture, we have to solve exercise depend on this subtopic. So, exercise number 2, part 1. So, see here, question number 1. You see in your book, question 1. What is question 1? Question 1 is subtract the following. Subtract the following means here we have to given some examples and we have to solve these examples of subtraction. So, see here, example number 1. 5,600 minus 2,300. And we have to solve this example. So, solution, write given problem vertically. First, make a columns. Then, give places, units, tens, hundreds, and here thousands. Then write down numbers place wise. Here 0 is at units place. Again 0 is at tens place. 6 is at hundreds place. And 5 is at thousands place. Minus here 0 is at units place. 0 is at tens place. 3 is at hundreds place. And 2 is at thousands place. Then solve example unit, tens, hundreds, thousands like that place wise. So 0 units minus 0 units. How much? 0. Then next place, tens place. 0 tens minus 0 tens. How much? 0. Then next place, hundreds place. 600s minus 300s. How much? 3. And last place, thousands place. 5,000s minus 2,000s. How much? 3. Therefore, answer of this subtraction problem 5,600 minus 2,300 is equal to 3,300. Therefore, answer is 3,300. Do you understand? Okay. Now next problem. Example number 2. 5,795 minus 180. So, solution. Write down given example. First make columns. After making column, give places, units, tens, and hundreds and thousands. Then write down numbers place wise. So here 5 is at units place, 9 is at tens place, 7 is at hundreds place, and 5 is at thousands place. Minus, see here 3-digit number. 0 is at units place, 8 is at tens place, and 1 is at hundreds place. 180 is equal to 5615. Do you understand? So students, question number 2. Arrange horizontally and subtract. Example number 1. 5555 minus 2222. Students, here given question is arrange horizontally, but given example is in format of horizontal. So next sub question is subtract. Means we have to subtract this example. So solution. Write down given example as it is. 5555 minus 2222. Then give places, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have to solve this example horizontally. So make a pair place wise. Units place pair with units place. Then tens places pair. Then hundreds place. And then thousands place. After that, subtract place wise. Means subtract numbers place wise. Here, units. 5 minus 2. How much? 3. Then next place, tens place. Here 5 tens and here 2 tens. Therefore 5 minus 2. How much? 3. Then hundreds place. 5 hundreds minus 2 hundreds. How much? 3 hundreds. And last place, thousands place. Here at thousands place 5 and here at thousands place 2. Therefore 5 minus 2. How much? 3. Therefore our answer is 5555 minus 2222 is equal to 3333. Do you understand? Okay. Next example. Example number 2. 8740 minus 3520. We have to solve again this example horizontally. So here solution. Write down given example as it is. 8740 minus 3520. After that, give places, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now next, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. After that, make a pair of numbers place wise. Units place pair with units place. Tens place pair with tens place. Hundreds place pair with hundreds place. And thousands place pair with thousands place. They subtract first unit from second unit. Means first number from second number. So 0 units minus 0 units. How much? 0. Then 4 tens minus 2 tens. 2 tens. Then hundreds place. 7 hundreds minus 5 hundreds. How much? 2 hundreds. Then 8 thousands minus 3 thousands. How much? 5 thousands. Therefore 8740 minus 3520 is equal to 5220. Do you understand? Now students, question number 3. If 5000 minus 2000 is equal to 3000, then 5888 minus 2888. How much? So student, solution. Here given, first write down given 5000 minus 2000 is equal to 3000, and we have to find 5088 minus 2888 is equal to how much? So write down this given problem vertically. 5888 minus 2888. Make a columns. Then give places and solve this example place wise. So here units, tens, hundreds, thousands. 8 units minus 8 units. How much? 0. Then 8 tens minus 8 tens. 0. 8 hundreds minus 8 hundreds. 0. And last 5000 minus 2000. 3000. Therefore our answer is 5888 minus 2888 is equal to 3000. Do you understand students? Means in this lecture we solve exercise number 2 from question number 1 to question number 3. In next lecture we will solve question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. So thank you. Stay home, stay safe.